Welcome back, you all, to Frederica Nation. If you're not a part of the family, you know what it is, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the ring bell so you never miss an upload. But also, make sure you thumbs up and like this video if you like this video. But right now, what I'm going to do is a centerpiece runner for my coffee table. And I'm going to use some mirrors that came from the Dollar Tree. I'm using some of these mirrors that came from the Dollar Tree, and I've already flattened it, set everything down on how I want everything to go. So it's giving me a good idea of how I want everything set up. I used some octagon kind, and I got the round ones. So you're going to use 8 of these right here and 3 of the round ones. What you're going to need is hot glue. You're going to need hot glue, E6000 extra sticks, and also you're going to need these popsicle sticks. And I got the real big ones. I forgot I even had these big ones. So yeah, what you're going to do, first things first, is lay everything down, okay, so it can be even and straightened up the way it's supposed to. And you're going to put your E6000, on in the creases of these right here, in the creases, just so it can hold how it's supposed to, okay? So you're going to just do that everywhere for right now, okay? Just going to do that everywhere for right now. Just be very careful. I should have put something underneath these mirrors on this table, but unfortunately I just forgot to do that. So yeah, make sure you put something underneath, y'all. Don't be, like me and be all hard-headed and not put nothing right here, because you're going to want to put something right there, okay? So after that, you're going to want to take these popsicle sticks and you're going to put some hot glue on it. And these is going to help hold it a little bit better. So, yeah. What I'm going to do is this right here. Now, if they move off a little bit, make sure you hold it down best way possible. Okay? If it still decides to move a little bit, okay, just make sure you being careful with that. So yeah, okay. So I'm just laying it down just so they all can hold together. So like I said, you be careful when you're doing this part. Be very careful when you're doing this part. Okay. Now the E6000 and hot glue works very, very good together. I suggest y'all to use that all the time, because I'm telling you, they work very well together. Now I'm going to break some of these in half just because I need all these to be sticking. All of these to be sticking together. So I had to break it in half a little bit. Well, not a little bit, but you know what I mean. And you're going to want that to dry. You want to set that so it can dry, okay? So, if you don't know, I'm going to tell you, you're going to need E6000 to dry overnight, to fully dry how it's supposed to. Okay, so I'm going to lay that stick right there. So I'm going to show y'all tomorrow how it looks after I let it set and dry overnight. So you all, this is the look. I am absolutely done and loving this look. This is my coffee table centerpiece, and I'm loving it. And I'm making one more piece that goes with this to top it off with some glitz and glam, and I'm going to show you all how I do it later in another video. But this is what it is. Thank you all so much. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment in the section below. See ya.